Our program is in Springfield, which is a small city, which nevertheless has a fair amount of diversity, which is a big draw for us. Someone that would do well here would be someone who does not desire being in a big city, at least for the year of fellowship. Someone who likes to make personal relationships with both the attendings as well as the residents in general surgery with whom they work relatively closely. Someone who's willing to learn.
Our medical school was established in 1970 to deliver excellence in education and enrich healthcare in our part of the heartland. 71 residents and fellows are currently receiving their training here at SIU Department of Surgery. Our faculty are passionate about training the next generation of the highly skilled, competent, and empathetic surgeons.
We've put together an excellent faculty, excellent programs, 31 residency programs and fellowships with state-of-the-art educational philosophies.
I think when it comes to surgical education, they're probably one of the forefront people on how to do that. I think anybody can have a surgical residency, but having people that are, their core foundation is your education, sort of sets them apart from everybody else.
We want to train surgeons who are competent in taking care of patients and who can perform surgeries and also able to teach and be leaders in the community.
SIU Medicine is based in Springfield, Illinois. It's the capital of this lovely state and about 115,000 for population. It offers big city amenities at a small town affordability. The cost of living is so remarkably low, and considering that Springfield is the second largest city outside of Chicago metro area. Should you want, though, to venture out to a bigger city, well, our central location puts us only 90 minutes from St. Louis and about 3 hours from Chicago and Indianapolis.
You know, SIU School of Medicine is sort of an academic affiliation. They have the academic colorectal attendings, and then they work with Springfield Clinic, which is a private practice group. So you sort of get a good feel of both worlds. That was one of the reasons I was interested in coming here. And after meeting the core faculty members during the interview trail, like I say, we just got along really well. And when you're picking a place to go train, you want to make sure that the people you're going to work with for a year are good people.
When you see somebody who is fresh and want to learn and take care of patients, and you teach them surgery as you watch them grow along, being an independent, competent surgeon is just rewarding as well as that's a privilege in my opinion. And it has huge, tangible and intangible benefits in multiple ways to patients and the society that you serve.
I think the thing that impressed me the most and continues to impress me the most about SIU is that people care about the people they work with. You don't see that every place.
As a community-based medical school, we don't own our hospitals, but rather we partner with numerous hospitals within Illinois. SIU residents are employed by one of the hospitals, either Memorial Medical Center or the HSHS St. John's Hospital.
So the nice thing about having an institution that's sort of wrapped up in a localized area, you maximize your time. So, which I liked. It's actually another reason that I picked Springfield versus some larger institutions that are in major cities.
I think that the people who train here will always have a special relationship with the people they train with, whether that's their resident colleagues or their attendings. And it's something that's, for me, is very special.
So I was just pumped that I got an interview here, and then I was like super excited when I got along with everybody, especially at the interview dinner and things. And then when you match and you're like looking and you see that it's here, it was great.
You'll experience a shared sense of community values and traditions, but SIU School of Medicine also places a healthy emphasis on diversity, progress, and technological innovation that embraces our future.